Assalamualaikum, we are Group 4 and today we will explain about the regional government budget. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Faiza Nabila and the last 3 digits of my student ID number are 412. These are my group members. On the first slide, we will discuss the definition of APBD. So, APBD is the annual financial plan of a regional government that is discussed and jointly approved by the regional government and the regional House of Representatives, and is in stroke a regional regulation. APBD stands for Regional Revenue and Expenditure Budget, which is approved annually by the members of the regional House of Representatives. On the second slide, we discuss about function APBD. The APBD has 6 main functions. The first one, authorization, legal basis for implementing regional revenues and expenditures. The second function, plan guideline for planning government activity. Next, supervision to ensure activity follow regulation. And the next, allocation, create jobs and improve economic efficiency. The next, distribution, promotes fairness and equity. And the last, stabilization, maintains regional economic stability.
Saya Mazian Delta dengan MPM akhir 281. Next, the power over APBD management. The regional head, as head of the regional government, holds the authority to manage regional finance and represents the regional government in the ownership. He has the following authorities. Point 1. Establishing policies regarding the implementation of regional budget. Point 2. Establishing policies regarding the management of regional assets. Point 3. Determining the authorized user of budget or goods, and many other authorities. Next, the policy of APBD. The general policy serves as reference in operational budget planning. Budget policy relates to fiscal analysis, while budget operation relates to resource. According to the Minister of Home Affairs regulation, it covers general policy matters and does not address technical matters. General policy matters include overview of macroeconomic condition, include development in regional macroeconomic indicators. Next, sources of APBD revenue. Sources of regional revenue in the implementation of decentralization consist of regional original income, revenue obtained from regional levies, balancing fund, regional loans, and unlegitimate income such as profit from the difference in the rupiah exchange rate against foreign currencies.
Nama saya Nana Mitkai, NPM 250130101034. Regional expenditure refers to all payment from the regional general treasury account that reduce regional fund equity and become obligation with one fiscal year without repayment. Classified by government affairs, mandatory affairs such as education, healthy infrastructure, and social service, and optional affairs based on regional potential and by type of expenditure, consisting of indirect expenditure, personnel, interest, subsidies, social assistance, and direct expenditure, personnel, goods and service, and capital expenditure. Next, APBD preparation process. The APBD is prepared based on regional need and revenue capacity, following a budget cycle of preparation and approval, implementation, and reporting. Its preparation refers to the RKPD, the ensure effective public service with all expenditure supported by sufficient revenue and budget on a gross basis according to regulation. Next, APBD enactment. The approval of the APBD began with the regional government submitting the proposed budget to the DPRD, followed by joint discussion between the DPRD and the regional government budget team to reach mutual agreement. The approval process of the APBD consists of 3 stages: 1. Submission and discussion of the draft regional budget regulation. 2. Evaluation of the draft APBD. 3. Enactment of the regional budget regulation.
APBD drafting process. Main step of APBD drafting. Number 1. Preparation of Regional Government Work Plan RKPD. This document outlines development priorities and annual government programs. Number 2. Formulation of General Budget Policy (KUA) and Budget Priorities and Temporary Selling (PPAS). KUA sets General Financial Policy. PPAS determines budget selling for each sector or program. Number 3. Preparation of Work and Budget Plans (RKSKPD). Each regional work unit prepares its detailed budget plan based on agreed priorities. Number 4. Submission of draft APBD regulation. All plans are completed into a draft regional regulation draft APBD and submits to DPRD. Number 5. Discussion and evaluation. The draft is discussion with DPRD and evaluation by a higher level government authority. Number 6. Enactment of APBD regulation. After approval and evaluation, the APBD is officially enacted and implemented. Objective: to ensure effective financial management, to align budgeting with development priorities, to promote transparency and accountability, to improve public service and community welfare. Regulation governing APBD enactment. Legal basis. The enactment of APBD is regulated by number 1. Law No. 17 of 2003 on state finance. Number 2. Government Regulation No. 58 of 2005 on regional financial management. General provision. Number 1. APBD is enacted annually through a regional regulation (Perda). Number 2. The fiscal years runs for January 1 and to December 31. Number 3. APBD serves as the legal basis for regional financial management. APBD enactment progress. Number 1. The regional head submits to General Budget Policy (KUA) and Budget Priorities (PPAS) to DPRD. Number 2. The draft regional budget regulation draft APBD is submits to DPRD no later than early October. Number 3. DPRD discuss and approve the draft at least 1 month before the new fiscal years. Number 4. After approval, APBD is officially enacted as a regional regulation. If the APBD is not approved, if DPRD does not approve the draft. Number 1. The regional government may ask the previous year APBD on a monthly basis. Number 2. Spending is limited to mandatory and urgent needs according to regulation.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Cikalo Velena Auradita dengan NPM terakhir 327. Selanjutnya saya akan menjelaskan tentang struktur APBD. According to the regulation of the Minister of Home Affairs number 13 of 2006, the structure of the APBD is unified system consisting of first, regional revenue, second, regional expenditure, third, regional financing. The APBD structure is classified according to governmental affairs and the organizational units responsible for carrying out governmental function in accordance with laws and regulation. Next, APBD amendments. APBD amendments can be if there are changes that affect the original budget plan, such as inconsistent with the general budget policy, the need for budget allocation between original units, activities, or expenditure types, the use of the previous year's budget surplus, emergency situation, or extraordinary circumstance. In principle, the APBD may only be amended once in a fiscal year, except in extraordinary conditions that require additional adjustment. Next, implementation of the APBD. The implementation of APBD is carried out based on principle of legality, accountability, efficiency, and transparency. All regional revenue and expenditure must be recorded and managed within the APBD. Each regional work unit or SKPD responsible for collecting revenue must follow applicable laws and regulations. Revenue received by SKPD are not allowed to be used directly for spending and must be deposited into the regional general treasury account no later than 1 working day. Expenditure may only be met within the approved budget ceiling and cannot exceed the allocated amount. Spending is not permitted if funds are unavailable or insufficient in the APBD, except in emergency situation, which must later be proposed in the revised APBD or reported in the budget realization report. All regional expenditures must follow the principle of effectiveness, efficiency, and compliance with laws and regulations. Next, consultation. APBD is the annual financial plan of the regional government, jointly prepared and approved by the regional government and the regional people representative council (DPRD) and stipulated in a regional regulation. The APBD serves as the basis for implementing all regional government activities during one fiscal year and serves as a tool for planning, controlling, supervising, and accounting for regional finance. In its implementation, the APBD must be managed in an orderly manner in accordance with laws and regulations, efficiently, economically, effectively, transparently, and responsibly. All regional revenue and expenditure must be recorded in the APBD. Might not be used outside of the provisions and must be accordance with the established budget ceiling. Expenditure can only be met if sufficient funds are available, except in emergencies that are specifically regulated. Overall, the APBD is an important instrument in realizing good regional governance, because through the APBD, regional government can plan development, improve community welfare, and account for the use of regional finance in a transparent and accountable manner.
Sekian dari kelompok kami, kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.